Michael, I see you holding up the hailstones there. Warning now comes into Cleveland County, McLean County, Oklahoma County. Michael, what do you have?
So this hailstone is actually a little bit smaller than a golf ball as I'm looking at it. So it's going to be just a little bit bigger than quarter-size hail. We're right in the area where the hail is going to fall on the front side of the storm. I can see them bouncing. They're getting a little bit bigger. As a matter of fact, let me switch over my camera to the 360 cam. And now you'll see the lowering here in a moment. Oh, yep, there's a golf ball for sure. I can see it laying on the ground right next to me. So the hailstones are getting a little bit bigger with this, right along the leading edge. So I actually don't have any rain falling. It's just straight hail right here on the north side of Minco at the moment, and that is going to be moving. The hail core is going to move right over Union City and move over toward Mustang and Yukon as well. And then of course we've got the lowering that's going on just to our southwest also. So it will have a large hail threat, but also if it continues to intensify and that base can get lower, then we would have a more significant risk of seeing tornadic development. Damon, while I have you on here for just a second, I'm going to look at the hailstones laying now down on this little dirt path that we're on, where it's a little gravel road right here. But some of these hailstones are up to golf ball size now here that are laying there. One of them just hit my hood, so I know because it bounced off of it, and I know how hail sounds, and they're getting pretty big now.